Okay. In the last class, we have seen the causes of poverty. Today, we are going to see how the what are the measures to remove the poverty. ठीक है ना? There are so many measures the government has taken so far. So we'll see what are the measures. ठीक है? So first of all, however, to remove poverty in India are placed in four categories as under. ठीक है ना? So we have four ways to combat the poverty, to remove the poverty. Number one, combating poverty through GDP growth. Okay, we can have our production increase to remove the poverty. When production increases, you know that employment will created, income will be generated. ठीक है ना? तो that way, combating poverty by improving the distribution of income through fiscal and legislative measures. ठीक है ना? So we can also remove the poverty by equal distribution. ठीक है ना? Equal distribution of income. ठीक है? So you know that in our country, income are not equally distributed among the people. ठीक है? So some are very rich and some are very poor. Okay, so the government can bring so by some fiscal measures, by some legislative measures. ठीक है? So in detail we are going to see. Now, combating poverty through population control. The one of the biggest problem in our country is the high population. ठीक है ना? Second largest population we are having. ठीक है? So it is one of the problem when you are having a cake, ठीक है ना? Small cake, and there are so many to eat. So what will happen? Obviously everybody will get a very small share. ठीक है ना? Small share means they are in poverty. So we can also reduce the poverty by reducing the population. ठीक है? Other measures enhancing quality of life of the people. So some measures are there the government is taking, giving out some kind of schemes, poverty schemes. ठीक है ना? What is the main reason behind poverty is the unemployment. So for bringing the employment, for generating the employment, the government are taking up some schemes that we are going to see in detail. Okay, so let us go forward. So here you can see combating poverty through GDP growth. How we can do that? Okay, GDP growth is an ultimate solution to the problem of poverty. When the pace of GDP growth is accelerated, new opportunities, I already told you, when there is a growth of production, there will be a generation of employment opportunities. Okay? When people get the employment, they will get the income. When they get the income, they would be no more in the poverty situation. Okay? So this is the thing. Combating poverty by improving distribution of income through fiscal measures. We'll see fiscal measures. Okay, fiscal measures refers to the policy of taxation and subsidies. ठीक है ना? Government can take up a policy of taxation and subsidies to combat the poverty. The government can equal distribution by imposing higher tax. So how it can be done? It can be done like higher taxes will be imposed on the rich people. So it means that luxury commodities will be highly taxed. ठीक है ना? Or and those tax money will be used in combating the poverty. Okay, so that way the government can do. And also legislative measures is there. The government can bring out labor law. ठीक है ना? Means minimum wage law. ठीक है? तो the government can order any institution that the minimum wage of the labor should be like this much and that much. Okay, so labor law government can bring out, and government can also bring out some minimum wage law like that. Okay, तो समझ रहा होगा. Now combating population through population control. The population is one of the biggest problem you can see. ठीक है? So it is giving to the rising population, due to which, owing to the rising population, in spite of increase in population, per capita income remains low. ठीक है ना? अगर हम लोग का पर कैपिटा इनकम इंक्रीज भी हो रहा है तो खाने वाला ज़्यादा इनकम कमा भी रहा है, लेकिन 10 आदमी पीछे खाने वाला है, तो ऑब्वियसली यू विल नॉट बी इन अ गुड पोजिशन. ठीक है? सो ये सब चीज़ें होता है. And so that is the thing, because of the high population, the PCI, even though increasing in our country, but it is not benefiting the people. ठीक है। तो अदर मेजर्स में आप देख सकते हैं, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर, वी कैन डेवलप द एग्रीकल्चर, वी कैन इंक्रीज द इनकम ऑफ द फार्मर, ठीक है ना, सो दैट पॉवर्टी कुड बी remove to a extent, some extent, by maintaining stability in the prices में भी हम stability maintain कर सकता है when there is inflation। हाई प्राइस होने का आपका इनकम तो वही है, लेकिन प्राइस ज़्यादा होने का वजह से आप सामान नहीं खरीद पा रहे हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली यू विल बी इन द पॉवर्टी, राइट। तो स्टेबिलिटी गवर्नमेंट को मेंटेन करना चाहिए कि प्राइसेस में इतना ज़्यादा राइज नहीं होना चाहिए, प्राइस राइज नहीं होना चाहिए, दैट गवर्नमेंट हैव टू सी। एंड जनरेटिंग एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेट करना चाहिए गवर्नमेंट को किसी न किसी तरह से, बाय ब्रिंगिंग सम kind of schemes. One law has been come in 2006, I think, Manrega, ठीक है ना, Manrega. So it is one of the important law that brought in 2006, that everybody, any adult person would be given a employment of 100 days in a year, ठीक है ना, in rural areas, ठीक है। तो kind of thing also government is bringing out, so that's a good thing. Adopting labor intensive or technique of production. So the government is also adopting the labor intensive technique of production, where there can be or use of labor the government is using, so that employment can be generated, okay। So this is one of the important thing. Special focus on backward regions. The government is nowadays focusing on backward regions. That how to develop this backward regions. When backward regions developed, what will happen? Employment will be generated automatically, and somehow poverty will be eliminated. ठीक है, तो ये सब चीज़ है। I hope you understood. यही है आज का। तो this much for the day. Thank you very much all of you.